Leslee Blanch, Family Consumer Science Associate Extension Educator with University of Idaho in Bonneville County. Today we're going to be talking about an adaptive kitchen tool, the push chopper. Chop, chop. First, before you use this for the first time, I recommend washing it, and it is dishwasher safe, or you can hand wash it. Make sure it does get thoroughly dried, and washing all 4 pieces. To reassemble, you will just line up these slots with the blades, gently and carefully put that in using this tab, and then screw on the plastic lid, for lack of a better word. It's really the bottom. You can chop a variety of fruits and vegetables. Today I'm going to be demonstrating baby carrots. You could segment larger carrots into pieces that would fit this diameter, or as I'm going to demonstrate, use smaller carrots. You can chop directly on a cutting board or on the base that is provided. So again, you want that to be within the diameter. Hold that firmly with one hand and then just push, push, push. The more you chop, the more finely minced it will be. So I'm just going to check if that's how I want it. They are varying sizes because the blades are varying sizes. You can also turn the product a little bit and just push chop again. This would be a handy way to do carrots for soup or a salad or perhaps for a stir fry. If you prefer, you can chop directly on the attachment provided, and again push, push, push. And you don't really have to put that much effort. It can be a pretty light push. So I'm going to shake it up a bit to just change the angle of the blades. So depending on your food product, you may do this several times to get it to the desired consistency. And again, it's not going to be a uniform consistency, but that's fine. Our next vegetable we'll demonstrate is onion, and you want a small chunk, exposing the sides that are already separated naturally in the onion to the blade. Holding that securely in place, begin to push chop, and just keeping a little eye on that. Shake it up a bit so that the blades contact the vegetable at different angles. The more I push chop, the finer the dice